Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my Creaite 2.0 review, and I'm going to give you an overview demo of Creaite 2.0. And what Creaite 2.0 is an upgraded version to the original top-selling program called Creaite by Joshua Zamora. And I'm sure you're interested to know what's different about Creaite versus Creaite 2.0. So I'm going to let Joshua Zamora himself explain to you the differences between Creaite and Creaite 2.0. They've added some things. It's got some exciting changes to it. So I'm going to let him explain that to you. So I'm going to play this short video and then I'll be back.
In version 2.0, we have made this platform even better, okay? Now, if you have no idea what Creaite is, it's pretty much the first and only artificially intelligent content creation platform on JVZoo, okay? It's the only platform that allows your customers to get long-form content written for them by real artificial intelligence. And that was one of the reasons why it sold so well the first time around. Customers can actually see the real artificial intelligence right before their eyes using the Creaite platform. And in version 2.0, we have really elevated this platform to a whole new level, okay? And there's a few things that we've done, okay? Number one, we have completely revamped our entire AI writing engine, okay? So we have a much more improved system powering the content that gets written for your customers. So the artificial intelligence is a lot better trained. So it's going to write a lot better content. All right. That's number one. Number two, we have been able to train our AI system to write for any niche imaginable. Okay. So that is another very huge improvement that we've done in version 2.0. Not only have we improved the AI writing engine, but we have trained it so that it can write for any niche. Okay, and that's going to be the biggest selling point in version 2.0 as well. Because in version 1.0, we trained our AI engine to write for about 50 of the hottest niches. Okay. And in the upgrade, they were able to unlock new niches every single month. But now in version 2.0, we have been able to completely remove that limit and do any niche on the front end. Okay, truly any niche. And on top of that, our system has been improved so that all they have to do is just provide a very simple, pretty much tell Creaite what they want the content to be about. Okay, so we've improved that part of our system as well. In version 1.0, they had to kind of write a pretty detailed sentence of what they wanted the content to be about. In version 2.0, they can literally just type in a keyword or a long tail keyword and go from there, and the system will write a piece of content for them. Okay. And the third thing that we've done in version 2.0 is we are going to be including our AI rewriter into the system as well. Okay. And this is something that no other platform has, or no other platform can do it as well as we do, which is the ability to take any piece of content and turn it into a completely unique, perfectly readable piece of content in a matter of seconds, okay? So literally your customers will be able to grab any article, any content, any blog post that's already posted out there, bring it into Creaite, get a totally new version written for them by real artificial intelligence, based on that original piece of content that they put in, and Creaite will write a totally unique version of that article. Okay, it's pretty much like paying a real human to rewrite a piece of content for you. Okay, so we've really taken Creaite to the next level, and we are excited to have you on board.
Okay, now we're back into the members area of Creaite 2.0. And that was a video explaining some of the upgrades that's been added to Creaite 2.0 versus the original product called Creaite. And the first place that I recommend that you start is you go to the tutorials. So I'm going to go to the tutorials tab. And they've got a number of different training videos in the tutorials section, and I highly recommend that you start here. It's a pretty easy program to use. the one video that I am going to play is this quick start guide, because it explains how to use this program and some different features in the program. So in case I miss something in my review, you'll have an understanding of this program and how it works. Then you can decide whether it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to play that video now, and then I'll be back.
Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with just a quick video to show you how to get in here and use Create as quickly as possible to have our system start writing content for you. So it's very simple the way that we built this. All you have to do when you're inside of Create is come here, hit this plus sign, and pretty much this is where the magic happens, okay? For the most part, most of you are going to obviously have access to the standard writer. If you did buy the Q&A writer, there is a separate video on how to use that. That is part of one of our upgrades. Same goes with the language options. That is part of one of our upgrades. And our folders feature as well. But pretty much if you just purchase the main offer, then this is where the magic is going to happen for you under the niche and the topics tab. If you want to come in here and just start getting content written for you as quickly as possible, all you got to do is come in here and just start typing a niche. So you can do make money online as an example and just hit start. And it's as simple as that. All right. Or another option is you can come in here, click the hourglass or the magnifying glass here and select one of the niches. All right. We do have a ton of niches in here for you to choose from. So if you click for, let's do customer service, you hit start. That's another way that you can get content written for you quickly. And then the one that's most, time intensive is you actually providing topics. Now, topics allow you to guide Create onto, what you want the article to cover. So you can see we have some help text here to kind of give you an idea of what topics should look like. So as an example, if we are going to go with the cryptocurrency example, you type in the main niche up here. So it can be cryptocurrency, weight loss, make money online, dental, whatever it is. You can type the main niche up here, or again, you can select from the drop down, and then you type in what you want the article to actually cover. So we'll do what is cryptocurrency as an example, where to buy cryptocurrency, and then how to make money with cryptocurrency as an example. So if there's something specific that you want Create to cover, this is where you put that in. Okay. If you really don't care where the article goes, then again, you just type in cryptocurrency here, you leave this blank, and that's it. But if you do kind of want to guide Create down a certain path, then you do that here. Now, for the most part, it's going to do its best to follow your topics, but sometimes it may write about something else, include something else that you don't have here, okay? So just keep that in mind, that it's not going to specifically only write about these three things. It may go off and include something else that you didn't expect it to include, but obviously it'll still be around the cryptocurrency niche. But once you fill out both of these, you hit start, and that's it. That's how simple it is to come in here and use Create 2.0, all right? So those three options that you have to get content created for you. You type in a niche, you select a niche, and then you can actually type a niche and do topics as well. So three options for you to come in here and get content created. So that's it. Appreciate you watching this video, and hopefully you get in here and start using Create right away.
Okay, that was the quick start guide. It's a video inside the tutorials. And now I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, now we're back into the Create 2.0 dashboard. And the one thing I want you to be aware of is it works on the credit system. And you only get so many credits on the front end. And in order to buy more credits, you push this Buy Credits tab. So the next thing underneath of it is the read first. And if they're saying to read this first, I recommend that you read it first. And underneath that is the articles. So I'm going to push on the articles. And in order to create an article, you push this plus sign up here, but you can put it in different folders. So if you want to create a new folder for a different niche, you can add a folder by pushing this plus sign right over here. And I created a folder right here, marked Dwayne Marketing. And if I push this 3 tabs right here, you can rename the folder, you can share the folder, or you can delete the folder. So anyway, in order to create an article, you push this plus sign here, and you got these 2 different options here. You got question and answer, and then you got standard. Now, the question and answer is in an upgrade, so I'm just going to choose the standard. And the next one is the language, and you got these different languages to choose from. And then you got the option to save to the folder. So I'm going to look for my Mark Dwayne folder. Mark Dwayne Marketing. We're going to scroll down, and then here's where you select the niche. And I did have a little trouble with this, not finding an article, but the mouse didn't seem to work here, so you're going to have to bear with me if it takes me a minute to get this to work right. But anyway, you just type in a keyword in your niche, and then you go over here and you push this search icon, and then it will come up with all the niches that are related to marketing. And I had a little trouble. I had to use my keyboard to get it to scroll down because my mouse wasn't working for some reason. So I like video marketing, so I'm going to choose niche in video marketing. So you might have to use your keyboard here is what I'm trying to tell you. And then you can scroll down here, and then you can add a topic. Well, I'm not going to add a topic. I'm just going to come up with a video marketing related article. So I'm going to push start. And it takes it a bit to write the article. So if it takes too long, I may fade out and then come back when the article's done. So we're just going to wait here for a minute. And if it takes too long, like I said, I'll just fade out. Okay, the article's done now, and I went ahead and faded out to speed up this review, and it didn't take that long, but this is what it came up with. Tips for creating videos that get results. So if I push on that, this is the article. And one thing it does that this first version of Create did is the articles aren't very long. And what I recommend is you piece 2 articles together to make an article long enough that's Google friendly, because Google prefers articles that are over 500 words. Anywhere from 500 to 1,500 words is usually the best for SEO. And if you want to add more content on here, you want to piece 2 articles together, you can edit it by taking the other article and copying it and pasting it in here. You could paste another article in here, and then it would create an article long enough for Google for SEO. Anyway, and the next section on here is you can post it to WordPress. And then you can rewrite the article. So if you want to rewrite the article, they have their rewriter feature right here. If you want to post it on WordPress, you can post it right here. Okay, and I'm going to close that off. And here's the rewriter feature down here. So you can use that there or take a look at it there. And then they have a plugin. You can make a plugin, and it tells you how to do that. And they have 2 videos on the plugin section. You got Create Connect Plugin Tutorial Part 1 and Create Connect Plugin New Editor Part 2. So anyway, I highly recommend, if you're interested in the plugin, that you watch these 2 videos. Okay? I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time in that section. And they also have another video on the white label, which is this section right here. So I recommend that you watch the training videos on those, because that will give you the best method on how to use them, different sections of Create. And then you have FAQs. These are frequently asked questions. So if you have some questions, and then you got the support if you have a problem, so you can submit a ticket. Well, anyway, that is Create, and it really looks like a pretty good program to get content. And if you're not familiar with WordPress and blogging, I have quite a few bonuses that are related to blogging and will help you in blogging. And if you're not familiar with WordPress, I know WordPress can be confusing if you're a beginner. So you want to check out my bonuses, because I've got a bonus that teaches you how to do the basic tasks in WordPress. I know I had trouble with WordPress. So if you're interested in Create 2.0, or you're interested in my handpicked bonuses, you can get access to them in a link down below this video. Take you to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to Create 2.0 and my handpicked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.